Hi everybody, today we are going to see about basic HTML tags. In this video, we'll be seeing about three tags. One is heading tag, break tag and paragraph tag. These tags will be very useful. Please watch the entire video. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language, is the main building block for all websites. It serves as the foundation markup of any website implementation. As website creation tools have evolved, the process of creating a website has become more accessible. However, these tools are still producing HTML as the end result. So HTML is very important one. Let us see about HTML. Today we are going to see about certain basic HTML tags. First tag is heading tag. Header tags, also known as heading tags, are used to separate headings and subheadings on a web page. They rank in order of importance from H1 to H6, with H1 usually being the title. Header tags improve the readability and search engine optimization of a web page. There are 6 different levels of heading tags, namely H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. The difference between them is the difference in the font size, with H1 as the highest and H6 as the lowest font size respectively. Note, in case of heading tags, a line break will be automatically included. So we need not explicitly add a break tag. Now let us see a small program using heading tag. HTML followed by head, then we have to give title. The title name is heading tags H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. Then you have to close the title tag. Then you have to close the head tag. Now you can start the body tag. In the body I am typing H1, this is the header tag 1, H2, this is the tag 2, and next one is H3, this is the H3 header tag, and this is H4 header tag, this is H5 header tag, and the last one is H6 header tag. Now I am closing the body. After that I am putting the HTML. This is the output. You can see if you are typing like this, H1 header tag will be begin font size followed by H2, then H3, then H4, H5 and H6. We will copy this code and I am going to paste this in Notepad. So this code I have pasted in the Notepad. I am going to save this file, save as. I am going to name this as header.html. Okay, I am saving this as header.html. Within double quotes I am saving header.html and I am clicking save. I am going to open that file header.html. You can see here the entire output is there. Heading, tags H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6, and the output is there. Now I am going to keep the notepad file here so that you can see here. If we are going to give, this is the H1 header tag. See, this is bigger in size, followed by H2, then H3, H4 and H5. So this is how you have to create the coding for header tags. The second tag what we are going to see is break tag. Break tag is an empty tag. Whenever we add a break tag in our code, the browser simply introduces a line break in the output. So the break tag is lesser than symbol, BR and greater than symbol. So the BR HTML element produces a line break in the text. It is useful for writing a poem or an address where the division of lines is very much significant. So this is one tag, break tag. Now let us see how to use break tag. As I already told you, you can start with the HTML tag, then head, the title tag. Inside the title tag I am giving break tag, then I am closing the title tag, then I have closed the head tag. In the body tag I am writing this is the first line. After this I am applying a BR, that is a break tag. Then I am typing the second line followed by slash body and slash HTML. The output will be like this. This is the first line. This is the second line. After the first line there is a break and this is the second line comes second. I am just copying the coding. I am typing Windows key R. I am going to open the notepad. In the notepad I am pasting this. I am going to save this file as within double quotes break tag.html. I am closing this. If I going to open this break tag.html, you can see here the break tag is there. This is the first line and this is the second line. So this is the output of this program. The third tag what we are going to see is a paragraph tag. The paragraph tag has an attribute called align and there are 4 different values for the tag. The first value is left. This left aligns the paragraph to the left. Right aligns the paragraph to the right. Center aligns the paragraph to the center. Justify, the word spacing is adjusted so that the starting and the ending of all the lines are uniform. How you have to write this paragraph tag is less than symbol P, greater than symbol, this is the opening tag, followed by the content. After that you have to put less than symbol, slash P and greater than, this is the closing tag. So this paragraph tag is a container tag. The default value of align attribute is left. So if you don't specify any value in the align attribute, the paragraph gets aligned to the left. Now let us see a small program using paragraph tag. Now you can see HTML head followed by title paragraph tag, then you have closed the header section, next the body tag. Okay, so this is Bgcolor. Okay, the body background color you can specify here. Bgcolor is misty rose. I have given as a misty rose. This is the misty rose color. Okay, then I have written paragraph align equal to center. So www is the content which is to be aligned in the center, then followed by justify, and there is paragraph align equal to left and paragraph align equal to right. I have closed the body section and the HTML one. Now you can see here this is the output of this coding. You have www at the center, this justified, next content is aligned left and this is aligned right. How to write this coding for a paragraph tag? Just I am copying the entire content here. So I am pressing Windows key R. I am opening the notepad. Just I am pasting the content. You can see here the entire content is here. Now we can save the program. Save the program as paragraph tag dot html within double quotes. I'm saving it. Now you can see here in the C drive we have the paragraph tag. I'm opening it. Title part is paragraph tag is here. The content www is here. The World Wide Web. So you can see here the output is like this. So the www is at the center. So it is at the center. The World Wide Web, the content. Okay, this content is justified. You can see here it is justified. www left alignment, you can see this is in the left alignment, this is in the right alignment, paragraph align equal to right. So at the end of this session we will see a lawyer mistake is not a mistake. A lawyer mistake is not a mistake that makes one feet above the ground. A doctor mistake is not a mistake that makes one feet below the ground. But a IT person mistake is a great mistake that brings the whole world down. So as an IT person, if you're going to make a big blunder, that is going to make the entire world down. So keep this in mind. We will see more about HTML in the forthcoming videos. Thank you. For more videos like this, subscribe our channel Bgcolor. You can forward this video to all your friends and relatives. During this COVID period, these types of videos will be very useful to them. Please share. Thank you.